Alright, I thought I'd take a minute to make a video. This is some of the shit that I've been doing. So, came back to the Jeep after about 6 months of it sitting and it just wouldn't start. That's why I noticed that a lot of the wiring on it sucks. So I started replacing it. I got some of these crappy, we're trying to do budget work here. Alright, we just want to get this thing started so we can get some of the fluids moving around so we can start replacing some of these parts. This cable is like $30. So I'll just wait. I'll wait. And once I get the carb on there, once I get everything running right, then we'll replace these. Until then, we'll just have to go with the rigged up. But we're sure we have proper voltage from the battery. You see, I redid this other one here too. From the battery, I have a ground from the negative battery cable up to this shitty screw right here. I also ran another wire because that gauge probably wouldn't be enough to ground a 9-volt battery out. So, I've got them reattached up here. I have that all cleaned up nice. Here's the solenoid. And I'm gonna try to get some good light on it. But, so basically, this is what we have. We've got the, a pretty standard setup with the positive cable running into the left side, and then we have the starter cable running into or from the right side down to the starter. I also have the light blue, I believe, goes to the switch, and the red with the white stripe goes to the ignition control unit. So I can't get it to start. It won't start for me. I have everything else hooked up properly. I've replaced the starter down here. I've got everything hooked up down at the starter. You see to the right of the shiny screw, you'll see where the solenoid is connected to the starter down there. I had an issue where I couldn't get this to start. It's been going on for a while. So I noticed one time I left the battery just sitting for a little bit, and noticed some of these wires started to get hot. So I did away with a lot of this tubing here, and I found out that this little repair had gone on. I don't know how long ago, but it looks like this wire right here, which is I don't know, it's too caked with crap to see what even color it was, but this runs into this wire right here, and it also runs to my ignition coil. So what the hell? And then on top of that, I have this miscellaneous wire that comes out of the ignition coil, and I don't know where it goes. It was never in there, and it started fine earlier. Anyway, I've been working on this for a while, so let me know. Thanks.